What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So we're here at Atlanta Dragway. Got the gutted P100D, of course, and I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but it's a little more gutted than usual. You know, we took all the speakers out, got all the door panels out, got the passenger seat out, which, you know, was only an aluminum seat, but still weighed a little bit. Took out the front sway bar, swapped out the 12-volt battery in the front for a little, you know, 4-pounder or so. So the car, you know, it's dropped some weight since the last time y'all have seen it, and it set the record at 1044, weighing 4640 or something like that off the check. But sitting as it is right now, it weighs 4460. So it's exactly 500 pounds less than it was when we got it stock. So hopefully we could reset the record. I did put the 21-inch wheels back on it because, you know, electric cars, as weird as they are, they like a taller diameter wheel and tire setup. So if this thing hooks, it should do pretty good. You know, I hope it hooks. We'll see how it does. After now, I'm gonna do some roll racing and just trying to, you know, just have some fun while we're at it. Hey, that was close, man.
Good race.
How close were you? I didn't want to look back.
On your fender, man.
That was good, man.
Thanks, man. So 10:41, that's a good time. 6:55 8th mile, 1:50.9 60 foot, which is a pretty killer 60 foot for the tires we're on right now. So hopefully maybe track hooks a little better, maybe stage a little shallower, launch control, try and get it a little faster maybe, and we'll go for it again. Good news is, ran another 1040. Bad news is, didn't break into a 1030. So that might be all the testing we get in for tonight. Because right now I got to go into some class races. So we're gonna try and knock out some class races. I'm in 2 different classes: the 10.0 index and the 11.0 index. Which 10.0 index, quite a bit too slow for, but you know, we're gonna try it out. 11.0 index, I'll probably dial down the car a little bit and take some power out of it. But we should be pretty competitive. You know, I just got to chop the tree down really, really good.
Good driver.
Yeah, whose name was it that I did?
Who got the one?
Hey, you got him.
Woo!